Okay, well, scuffed stream it is. Yeah, just crashed. Okay, let me load all this back up. Let's load it all back up. Okay. Is this going to play? Hopefully. I really need to get a new machine. Really badly. Oh, God. And it didn't continue the live stream from before, did it? It started a new one. I think because instead of scheduling it. Yeah. Well, we'll see. If it crashes again, then that'll be it for tonight. For now, though. Spotify? Work again? Spotify? Well, everything's scuffed here. Everything is scuffed here. Okay. Okay, whatever. So this stuff saved. This is why I try to save often. I need to just redo this. Let's clear gamma. Save. Okay. We're good? We're good. And let me do the same thing for the black and white. Copy this. I might as well put it on everything as a control. There we go. Now decide to load. Good. Yeah. Yep. Okay. So with that, where do I want to put it on the black and white one? Same place. Underneath extra contrast, above base value. Base value, and then we'll go to 7. Let's go to 6. And there we go. Yep, so there's our gamma. Okay. Let's update all of these. Really don't like that I'm running out of space on these, but it's fine. Save. Okay. This time I could move it up. Good. Good. Please don't crash anymore. Okay. Next. I probably need to reorder these later, but I'll deal with that later. Yep. Roughness. And of course, I'll need to add this to the struct in the blueprint. That's the easy part. If there's a way to do all this part automatically, that'd be amazing, but there isn't. I've been thinking of ways of maybe doing like even more advanced controls, like a low, medium, high type controls, like or like like shadows, midtones, highlights type control. That seems like an overkill. Like I don't think anyone needs that kind of levels of control for stuff like this. Like you can do that like yeah, externally or somewhere else as well. If I find out there is a demand for it, then I'll add it in later. But for now, I think I'm not going to include it. Here. Okay. You good? Did I get it everywhere? Save. Seems like I got it everywhere. Okay. Parallax stuff we don't need to touch. Don't need to touch anything there. Let's fix sun shadow stuff. This thing could use a reorganize ever since I added this. Okay. Seems fine. Okay, so now, okay, we have all of these. Should now all work. And let me just double check. Oh, this is using the wrong material again. And the material instance I made is gone. Okay. Let's remake it. Base color. What do I have here? Roughness value, roughness gamma. That should be hidden. I need to modify the functions. Hold on. Let's modify the functions. Yeah, that should not be here. This should be behind the grading. Yeah, it should be here. Oopsie daisy. Because it's full, yeah, it needs to go right here. Or, I mean, somewhere down the chain, but at least this is fine. That. And let's do that. That looks nicer. So now, yeah, there it goes. Now it's gone away. so has Unreal. At least it's not on my full computer that crashed this time. I have to remake the material again, don't I? Oh, probably. Okay, let's double check. Okay, so this is good now. Yep. Let's do the same thing for the color one. It's been a while since I've adjusted this stuff, so I did forget. About the order of things as it happens. Yeah, I'm texture grading it. It's true, then do this. There we go. Much better. Now it's not going to randomly appear there. Okay, so now I can put this in here. Great. Great base color. Save. And let's give it a two-layer system for testing. And I'll give it a fall off. Base color. Let's just try having just the tint, having it plain here. This will be a good test to make sure that it's going to work. Just of course doing safe. Okay. Now it's two layers. Right, this does nothing until I overwrite it. There you go. Now it does something. When I overwrite it, I can, of course, tweak all the values. Hue shift is not going to do anything because there's nothing to hue shift. Random color is not hooked up right now. That's working. And if I go on UV0, override, yep, there's our stuff working. Color. I don't have normal exposed. I just realized. I need to get some normal controls in here. It's fine. Okay. Thing I need to do. And I need to also now, well, first I need to add the gamma control. So let's go into these color controls. Gamma, yeah, base color gamma. This will be a float, default of 1, and I'll put it Right there. That seems like a reasonable place. But of course, now we need to go here, recompile this. So now in here, we have more controls. Yep. So let me So this is, I can just duplicate this. This should work fine. Extend. Gamma. And the value is gamma. A float that we said is going to be below saturation. Then I should reorder this. Cleanliness sake. Although it doesn't really matter. For saturation. Here. No. Grab you. Scooch. Oh, right. You undo that. Whenever you hold the right arrow, trying to undo just nudges, and I hate that. Just gonna delete this and just re-duplicate it over. Seems easier. Okay. Do this, that. Attach this here. Gamma goes in gamma. This is gamma. Okay. Now we should be good. Wait, nope. Now we're going to be good. Save. So now I should be able to go in here and gamma. Oh, I know what's wrong. This helps. Gamma. Oh, no. Why did I not name it correctly? Seems correct. No, that's correct. Okay, what did I not plug in? This is plugged in. Yeah, this is all plugged in. What comes after this? Extra contrast. Can I do extra contrast? Yeah, so it is going through the chain. So why is gamma not working? Something going on here. Oh wait. Let me just double check that. This. Okay, so no, this works. But this one's not working. Saturation works. Extra contrast works. U shift works. But gamma doesn't? Why? Well, the material's fine. We know this material's fine. We just tested it. Wait, why is this affecting it? Yeah, so this is correct. This is overriding it. Why is this not being overridden? What? What? Hold on. Save. Just gonna reload. Just to make sure that it's actually reloading. This isn't doing anything. Okay, hold on. Hold. Found it. I didn't hook this up. Had to be something stupid. Ah, there we go. Yep. Now it works. So now we have the gamma control. Increase gamma and then increase brightness. Effectively, you have increased contrast. Was it 2.2? What's the math on? Assuming this was an RGB. 2.2. That's 0.45. Okay, sweet. So this works now. Well, I'm happy with that. Okay. So now that we know that works, do I collapse it to a function? Or do I just collapse it? Like I just collapse it, although I never just collapse it. Because there's no reason to put this in a function. It's not named. Damn it. I want it to be named though. Okay, well, I can put it in a function, I guess. For organization's sake. I can move it later. This is going to be my layer controls. Okay. And then I should take all of you and move this. Let's move you like over here. Okay. And then I can do another sequence. Because then I'll have the layer controls, and then I'll have the layer blend controls, and then global controls, and that's what's going to just stick out of here. Let's put these then in a group. It's not master controls. Sections. Yeah, it's called sections. That's fine. And then I'll put all the stuff in there. Yep. Okay, so what do we no longer need here? UV controls no longer need. Got that taken care of. Base color controls, I need to modify. I made a tutorial on how to do this better. The random color stuff. And now combining it with the other stuff would be better. I will delete this. So just remember, I'm done with that. Metallic controls are done. Specular controls are done. Roughness controls are done. Anisotropy controls are done. Emissive opacity. Yep. Norm. Oh, that's why I don't have normal. Normals. I have normal controls here. Wait. Yeah, I just literally just don't have normal controls here for some reason. Okay, hold on. What is it complaining about? Oh, it's because it's no longer. There you go. Yeah, and I don't need it. Yeah, don't need that anymore. But AO controls are done. And so let me go to the. Where is it? I should have named it something else easier to find. Layer master controls. So I'm going to search for layer. That makes more sense. Normal controls. It's not many. But you know what? I'll take it. Where does normal go? Opacity normal, and then okay. There you go. Wait, what? No. You. There we go. Save. Which also means that I need to look at it here. Yep, there's the normal controls. 1, 2, 3. Lower these. Square normal controls. Oh right, I didn't bother putting this into a function. Because I was like, there's not much to put into a function. Don't need this or that. Let's grab all this. There you go. Because basically this is what this is. Which, I mean, I could. I could just put this here, call it normal controls for consistency. Wait. Oh, it's because we already have something called normal controls, even though it's not a function. Something else here is called normal controls. So yeah, there's the variable called normal controls. So it's not happy with it. That's fine. We can do this. Oh, but then I want to put also. Wait. No, this is wrong. This is wrong. I don't want this for each. That's wrong. Okay, good thing I caught that. Yeah, there we go. Yep, and then this is here. This goes here. There we go. This is the function. Map controls. Just to have this in the same order and everything, and I'll right settings. Strength. There we go. Okay. Now we don't need the controls. Beautiful. Okay. So the simple fake shadows we'll take care of next. The random colors. I need to do a different version of that. The light controls. Okay. The only thing I want to do now is to kind of to wrap this up is make this automatically populate based on the amount of stuff we have. So instead of all of this, it's going to be a lot easier. I want to grab you, size based on the total layers. And we're not going to need the UV, base color, metallic, all of this. Don't need all of you. So much nicer, so much cleaner. Look at that. Opacity normal, no. We're not going to need you, fake linear. Right? Not going to need any of this. Oh, that's so much nicer, isn't it? That's just so much cleaner. So now, say if I do this one, so layers 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Can't add or delete things. Perfect. And then I don't need a bunch of variables. Am I still using them? No. Delete all this stuff. Bam. Still using base color control somewhere? What? And references. Ah. Don't need this. I got enough from this. Okay. There you go. So now it's cleaner. Oh, that's a lot better, and it makes a lot more sense. Right. I can still go in and write this. Yes, I can see it changing there. I'll be right because it's default, but on this one, I can't do it because it's not exposed, right? I haven't told it to be able to grade roughness. If I say grade roughness, now I can go in and is this reversed? I feel it's shiny. Roughness min being 1. Max roughness. Is this backwards? Hold on. Hold on. I feel like that should be acting opposite. Roughness. Remap high. Max. Remap low. Did I plug it in correctly here? Low to low, high to high. I think my brain is just not thinking right now. Maybe that's why. It is 10 p.m. and I'm tired. I'll pretend like I'm just having a brain fart and everything's working fine. But yeah, next time we'll go ahead and start cleaning up the rest of this. I'd like to get this entire project done this year, or this side of the year. So, yeah, okay. This is looking good though. Melness, of course, gives us nothing because actually, why is metal? Why is it pure black? Hold on, what's going on? Oh, it's because I have no, gamma should be a 1. Oh, it's because I have extra contrast up here. There you go. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, cool. Okay, yep. I can override this. Change the channel when there's a mask. Yes, if I want to, I can override the channel and set this to be. Need to override this as well. Right now it's green. Like I said, to red. That's probably not going to do much. Oh no, I do see it. It's just. Is it? Did I not set it to be the green channel right now by default? I didn't. That's why. Yeah, it should be on green. That's the default Megaskins one. Okay. And last one I want to check is the normal override. Perfect. Oh, and because we're now in, I need to update this entire thing to 5.3 and implement the displacement, but also give the option to have 5.2 stuff. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff still to do. Okay. Cool. I am satisfied with the way of what I've updated today. I wish there was a way of getting layers automatically, but there isn't. So this, if I move you and then move you, it's still working fine. I think it's if I use this. No, yeah, no, it adds it fine. Yeah, it added it fine. Meshes, picture center control. No. I'm looking for the transforms. It's been a while that I forgot where it was. No, what I want to do is check spawn. Meshes cube is fine. Just all zeros, all ones. Material. Just I put this in here. It's because the material instance. I need to update this. This should take instances. Okay, so this is not disappearing. Perfect. Okay. And I can add. Yep. Okay. This also probably needs to be updated for 5.53. And then hopefully some of the stuff has been fixed in 5.3 for this. Because there's the deletion issue that we have. Okay. But I think I'm satisfied for today. So yeah, I will call it a night here. It was a somewhat scuffed stream. One computer freeze. Hey, Flockers. Welcome in. You coming in right at the end. Just about to head out. Just finished. Place you. Just finished reorganizing some stuff. Damn you too. Yeah, but the new system has now everything much more organized. Took care of this, or most of the stuff now this session. So, Okay, well, I'll try to stream a lot more so I can continue working on this because it's the only way I'm gonna get this thing outdone. 5.2 has a lot of problems with the same deleting foliage. Move to 5.3. Yeah, exactly. Because right now, if I have, if I use the scriptable tools and I try to add, I can click and add, and it's like it updates immediately. But if I try to remove, like, and I click, well, you would think nothing's happening. But if I actually go here, you can see they're actually gone. I just need to update it. And I hate that. I'm hoping this is fixed in 5.3. I haven't tested it. I just need to update my entire system to 5.3 and then deal with that. It's like a small thing, but it's annoying because it's weird. Because in the blueprint, it's just running the construction script. I just have a function called execute construction script, and the construction script is basically just execute construction script. So, well, it works for one, but not the other. It's a weird. I don't know. Whatever. Deal with it later. For now, gotta clean up and make all the other stuff pretty and make this as user friendly as possible. That's the goal. So it's big if you work in open world maps and can't remove fill. Oh yeah, I mean, yeah. If you can't remove anything, it's a pain in the butt. Yeah, absolutely. 5.3 thankfully fixes a lot of things, and it has the new PCG stuff and a bunch of other stuff. Yeah, there's still so much to experiment with in 5.3 that I gotta, especially the PCG stuff. I just haven't thought of a good use case yet for the blueprints combining with the PCG that would like actually use as of yet. But I don't know. Figure it out next time. Yep. Have a good day, I guess, because I'm assuming you're East Coast. I mean East Coast, Europe. Hence you said morning, so I'm gonna head out for the night. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye.